What if I told you you can actually change your face shape and make yourself look 10 times better, all with just few clicks? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me show you. There is a Photoshop plugin called FaceMake by Retouch for me, and it's honestly a game changer. Last time I made a video about Retouch for me plugins and you guys loved it. Their plugins make photo editing insanely easy and super professional. Alright, first thing first, head over to the Retouch for me website. Download the FaceMake plugin and install it on your system. Now let's jump into Photoshop. I'm going to start by duplicating the background layer. Then I will right click and convert it into a smart object. This helps keep everything non-destructive. Next, to open the FaceMake plugin, just go to the filter menu at the top. Under Retouch for me, you will find the FaceMake plugin. Click on it and we are ready to go. On the left, you will find tools for comparing before and after, contour view, pan and zoom, and face mesh editing. You can switch photo modes like close-up, full length, or keep it on auto. Main tools are on the right side. Let's switch on lifting. It's designed to balance facial features and give the face a more natural and symmetrical look. You can adjust the overall lifting amount or push it towards a more feminine or masculine feel, totally up to you. Right below that, you have got a smoothing control for lifting and also a slider to tweak how much effect is applied to the lips. Now let's move on to the makeup. This feature applies makeup to the eyes, lips and skin. For the eyes, you can choose from different styles of eye makeup. I'm selecting the Prisma Glow Eye makeup and it looks stunning. You can also adjust the depth of the makeup and change the hue to match the look you are going for. For the lips, I'm going with a Rainbow Dream, and just like before, I'm adjusting the depth and hue to get the right balance. For the skin, I have selected Sunset Glow. All the makeup styles looks amazing, but you will need to pick the one that fits your look best. Now let's take a look at Displace. This tool lets you adjust the size of the facial features like the eyes, lips, nose, chin and more. Select the parts you want to change and fine-tune them using the depth parameters. Next we have the texture and then we have Reshape tool. This tool lets you adjust the facial features whether you are working on a man's or woman's face. You can change the facial length and make the face more symmetrical. Now let's compare the before and after by holding this icon. As you can see, the face looks 10 times better now. The best part about FaceMake is that unlike other face reshaping tools that can make your image look blurry or lose quality, this one keeps everything sharp and high quality. You won't lose a single pixel. Now let's try it on another image. First I will start with some lifting. Then I will apply makeup. For the eyes makeup, I'm selecting Prisma Glow again. For the lips, I'm going with Heartbeat. And for the skin, I will use Sunkissed. Next, in the Displace section, I will slim the lips a bit and then finally I will fine tune the reshape. And that's it. Just look at the before and after. What a transformations. If you are a man and want a more masculine look in your photo, you can still use FaceMake. Let's upload a male photo and open the FaceMake panel. By default, it applies the same effect we used in the previous image. But I will remove all of them and keep only the masculine and manly enhancements. And there you have it, a strong and more defined look. And that's it. As you can see, the FaceMake tool from Retouch for me is really easy to use and gives amazing results. Just like their other plugins, it saves times and makes your photo look so much better in just few clicks. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend downloading the FaceMake and giving it a shot. It's free to try and you will be amazed at what it can do. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.